Manual uninstallation via file deletion. This method involves removing Spicetify's files and restoring Spotify to its default state. Restore Spotify to default. Open PowerShell, Windows, Terminal, macOS Linux, or your preferred command line tool. Type the following command and press Enter. Spicetify Restore. This command removes Spicetify's modifications from Spotify, ensuring the client reverts to its original state. Delete Spicetify files. Navigate to the Spicetify configuration folders. Windows, open File Explorer and go to %updata %Spicetify and %localupdata %Spicetify. macOS, open Finder or Terminal and go to Spicetify_data. Linux, open your file manager or terminal and go to .config Spicetify. Delete these folders entirely. For Windows, you can run these PowerShell commands to delete them. rmdir $4 updata Spicetify. rmdir $4 localupdata Spicetify. Verify uninstallation. Restart Spotify to confirm that Spicetify's customizations, themes, extensions, etc. are no longer applied. If you can still run the Spicetify command in your terminal, check for residual files in the above directories or ensure Spicetify wasn't installed globally, e.g., via a package manager. Note: if you installed Spicetify extensions or custom apps, you may need to remove them first to avoid issues. Run this command in PowerShell terminal for each extension or app. Replace name with the extension app name. Spicetify config extensions custom_apps name. Source: adapted from instructions found on the official Spicetify documentation and community discussions. Method 2: uninstallation via package manager. If you installed Spicetify using a package manager like Winget, Chocolatey, or Homebrew, you can uninstall it through the same tool. Using Winget, Windows. Open PowerShell or command prompt. Run the following command. Winget uninstall product code Spicetify. Spicetify_microsoft.winget.source 8 vkib 3d 8 bbwe. This removes Spicetify from the directory. C. Users your username app data local Microsoft Winget packages Spicetify.Microsoft.Winget.source 8 vkib 3d 8 bbwe. Using Chocolatey, Windows. Open PowerShell or command prompt as an administrator. Choco uninstall Spicetify. If you also installed the Spicetify Marketplace, uninstall it with Choco uninstall Spicetify Marketplace. Using Homebrew, macOS. Open Terminal. Brew uninstall Spicetify CLI. Using other package managers, Linux. For Scoop, Windows Linux. Ye are Spicetify CLI. Check your package manager's documentation for the exact uninstall command if you used a different tool. Clean up residual files. After uninstalling via a package manager, check the configuration folders listed in method 1 and delete them if they remain. Run Spicetify Restore before uninstalling if you have.